spacious living and the dining area. So this is the part for your living area. So let's enter towards your kitchen area, and once you enter the space, here comes a huge king size bed space. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Sattva Lumina, which is located in Rajanukutte, North Bangalore, a project developed by Sattva Group. And today we are here to check out the 2 BHK model flat. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So as you can check out, we are here on the actual land parcel, and it starts from here. And about its marketing office, so it's just on my left hand side over this side. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So what is exactly Housey? So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because now Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview, and this project will be constructed on total 13 acres of land parcel with 8 towers in all, with all the towers of 2 basement ground plus 30 floors, starting from studio apartment, 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK apartments. Now let's discuss about the interesting part, and that is the amenities. So this project provides you 50 plus world-class amenities, like let me show you. This is the grand clubhouse with swimming pool, including all indoor activities and the games, with the kids play area, garden area. This is the cricket pitch, jogging track, multi-purpose court, basketball court, skating ring, and many more amenities. Now about the location part, and this project is located in Rajanukutte, North Bangalore. And now let me show you the main road and the connectivity. So basically this road will connect you towards Doddaballapura, and the opposite side road that is behind me will connect you towards New Yelahanka town. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. You can connect to BMS College in just 5 minutes. Omega Multi-Specialist Hospital is 10 minutes away. RMC Galleria Mall is 15 minutes away. Embassy Business Park is 18 minutes away from the project. Kampaghoda International Airport is 25 minutes away from the location of the project. So now let's have a look at your 2 BHK of 1142 square feet super built up area, and it starts with this green entrance. And once you enter, here's a small lobby area for your privacy. And now then you will be entering towards your spacious living and the dining area. So this is the part for your living area where you can set your sofa set. And this is the place where you can add up your TV unit. And exactly in front of that, you can set your dining table over here. So isn't it spacious, the dining table? You can easily add your 6 to 4 seater of dining table. And now let me show you over this side. So exactly backside of the dining table is your balcony. So the beautiful balcony, which is 3-side covered with anti-skid flooring and iron railing. And now with the easy access to your dining table, here this side is your kitchen area. So let's enter towards your kitchen area, and this is your beautiful kitchen area with the interior work done, and you can check out the interior that is done for your reference. With the platform, the cabinets, the window is provided for ventilation and lighting purpose, and this is the part which is divided with a tile roof. That means it's your utility area where they have provided a machine provision. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So just follow me. Here both the bedrooms are on the other part of the house. So here this side is your bedroom number 1. And this is a common washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now with easy access to your washroom area, here comes your bedroom number 1, that is your kids' bedroom. So once you enter, you can check out the bedroom space with the bed space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and a wardrobe space. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. But before entering to master bedroom, let me introduce you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features only under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering for free only on Housey.com. And now about the master bedroom. So over this site, once you enter, they have provided the lobby space. There is no direct bed area. And now, once you enter the space, here comes a huge king size bed space. So you can add up your king size bed over here. This is the wardrobe space, the dressing area. And now, a cute little balcony, that is a sit-out area with anti-skid tiles, which is 3-side covered and with iron railing as well. Now about the washroom. So the washroom is over here, the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Sattva Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, you do not have to roam here and there and waste your time. You can get all the details in the I button. And lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.